Okay guys, welcome to the Star Wars family channel, guys. We are back here at Cliffside to give you the latest Taal Volcano update, guys. It is, as you can see, very hazy. Don't want to call it smoky because it's not smoky, but it is more difficult than usual to see today.
Probably from the hot steam, hot air from everything that was going on this morning. We just shared this, guys.
Yeah. So there's been reports of steam rising since 11 p.m. last night, I believe,
is
when it was
last night. Yep.
Yeah, so on and off since 11 p.m. last night, we've been seeing steam rising from the crater. So that is what our guess is. That's what we're seeing now, is that it's a little difficult to see today. But we wanted to go live and bring you the latest update as always, guys. So stay tuned with us. We're going to let this build for a little bit. If you're jumping on and you're live with us now, please feel free to comment or share. Always share the feed, guys. We have lots of people that view from everywhere around the world, guys.
Especially mga kabatang natin na nag-aantabay, always on the watch. Okay, so we're just waiting for people.
Yeah, we'll let this build a little bit, guys, and we will give you the latest update. But yeah, if you're joining us, this is a live look of Taal Volcano from Tagaytay. And this is typically one of our best views, guys. If you were with us when the last broadcast, you know how clear this view usually is. However, today, it's a bit steamy.
Cora Gadi. Hi, shout out kay Cora Gadi. From Mark Gadi Tordesillas.
Alright guys, yeah, we appreciate everyone tuning in, and by all means continue to share the feed. We're just giving an update as of this afternoon. Quick look at Taal. If you know, there was a memo posted 11 o'clock last night. I guess they were showing some steam venting from 11 p.m. to most of the morning, guys.
Saan parte yung kumukulog? Naku, hindi namin alam. Dito from Tagaytay, maliwanag, pero yung view nga natin ng Taal, nakikita nyo masyadong ano ba tawag niyan? Hazy. Ano ba hazy sa Tagalog? Pero yon, medyo hindi ako sure, ha. I'm not an expert, pero that could be from the hot air na nabanggit nga ni Miss Mai kanina. Saan po kaya yung kumukulog? Ayun, so ang update ni Fivox, as of this morning, yun nga sinabi nila na meron daw steaming na nagsimula na pasulpot-sulpot. Nagsimula alas 11 kagabi. Shout out Agustin, Malabanan, and Degrano family. Ingat po kayo palagi. Tanawan, malakas daw ang ulan. Heavy rains in Tanawan. So yeah, ayun. Ang sabi nga ng Fivox, pabugsubugs, pasulpot-sulpot starting 11. Tapos kung nakita nyo yung mga updates kanina, napaka lakas ng steaming ng Taal. Shout out Alan Ambion and Nanay Emma from Febralisa. Ayun, pero hindi yung stats kanina hindi masyadong marami. Pero ganyan, meron tayong 10 volcanic earthquakes, 2 low frequency volcanic earthquakes, and 8 volcanic tremors. Yung sulfur emission is at 3,051.
Normal sulfur emission is what?
I'm not sure. But hindi yan yung pinakamataas na nakita natin na sulfur emission ni Taal, pero medyo mataas yan. Ngayon, sinabi nga nabanggit kanina kung nabasa niyo yung post ni Miss Mai na hindi maganda yan kung hindi maganda na biglang nawala ng aktibidad si Taal, dahil ibig sabihin nga niyan merong nabago sa equilibrium or dun sa parang normal ni Taal. Ngayon, let me see. Sabi naman ni Fivox, wag daw matakot. Normal lang daw ang pag-steam dahil nga nasa alert level 2 pa si Taal. Yan. So,
yeah, so they were noting at 11 p.m. yesterday that they saw a emission of steam plume from the Taal main crater, which was intermittent throughout the rest of the evening from 11 p.m. till early this morning. It's been recorded all the way up till 12:30 this afternoon. So I'm pretty sure that's what we're seeing now is the remnants of the steam.
Oo, kaninang alauna actually meron pang medyo kitang-kita pa yung usok. Pero as of 3 o'clock ngayon, wala na kayo may kitang usok, but napaka hazy. Pabati po ng Happy Fiesta ngayon. Happy Fiesta sa mga taga-barangay Dayapan, Lemery, Batangas.
Yes, we're passed through Lemery quite a bit. So yeah, guys, we are just here live in Tagaytay. If this is your first time tuning in to our channel or to our Facebook page, guys, of course give us a follow and a like, and if you watch this later on YouTube, of course give us a subscribe, guys. We're just trying to bring you the latest view that we have and the latest perspective we have from Tagaytay.
Yes, pasensya na po sa mga nag-message kaninang umaga. Napakaaga po kasi alas 5 po nag-umpisa. So may mga 6 o'clock may nagme-message sa amin na mag-live nga kami. Dahil hindi nila makita yung parang top view. Di po kami nakalabas agad. Pero, ayan po. Ito po yung...
Okay guys, looks like we are back.
Ayan.
Sorry for the hiccup there, guys. We had some video issues.
Oo, nawala na kami ng signal. Shoutout sa mga taga-Agancillo. Ingat kayo dyan. Ingat kayo. Mga taga Santa Teresita. Ingat palagi.
Guys, so we're just broadcasting live here at Tagaytay. Current view of Taal Volcano. Again, if you're joining us late, Fivox noted last night at 11 p.m. there was steam plumes coming from the crater, which was intermittent throughout the day all the way till around noon today.
Yes, so hanggang noon po na silip namin kanina na meron pang visible na usok, pero as of now, alas 3, wala na pong visible sa kinatatayuan namin.
Yeah, but this is the most visible it's been since the steam, guys. So it's 3 hours later and the steam is still clearing.
Ayan, rinig na rin namin yung kulog dito ngayon. They were asking if we were hearing the thunders or the thunders from here. Ngayon, rinig na namin.
We're pretty sure whatever storm system is heading this way, because you can see it and hear it surrounding us. So that's why we wanted to come and bring you this live broadcast before the weather turns, because we know when the weather turns here, it is next to impossible to see Taal Volcano, because you really get the steam coming from the rain and condensation that forms. But we will try to zoom in and give you as close a look as we can, guys. And apologize for it not being as clear as usual, but we just wanted to bring you as good a view as possible.
Ayan po. Yan, sa mga nag-message po sa amin, mga concerned, sabi naman po ni Fivox, wag daw po matakot. Pero syempre, sa atin, always be ready lang po. Yung may mga go bags, ihanda nyo lang po. Ingat po mga kabatang.
Yeah, guys, we get a lot of people, you know, obviously from around the world that thank us for broadcasting because they have friends and family in the area, so we always want to bring a live video. But we also get messages from time to time, people asking why we're going live and why we're causing panic. Apologize again for the interruption in the feed, guys. Just getting some hiccups today.
Oo, may kulog na naririnig dito. Pero ulan lang yan. Wala namang cause of panic. Ayun nga, na-mention ni Sis Daddy na merong nagme-message sa amin na parang kami daw yung parang nakaka-cause daw na panic. Pinapakita lang po namin. Again, hindi po kami professional. Hindi po kami volcanologist. Hindi po kami geologist. Pinapakita lang po namin sa inyo kung ano yung nakikita namin. Ayan.
But we're just here to give you a live look, guys, because we have the access to a good view. So, as always, we just try to update all of our viewers and all of our friends and hey guys, apologize for all the hiccups in today's feed. I'm not sure if our signal is not as good as usual, but anyway, guys, yeah, our goal is to never cause panic, guys. We just want to give you a live update. Like we said, we have many followers from around the world that have friends and family or houses in the area that just ask for updates. So guys, we always want to bring you a live update whenever possible and just give you the latest news. Obviously, if something severe was happening, we probably would not be live.
Kung may nangyari na po, mag-evacuate na kami.
Yeah. But yeah, just in case you're tuning in late, guys, this is just a live look here from Tagaytay, the Taal Volcano. And again, just to reiterate, they updated last night around 11 p.m. that there were steam plumes throughout the evening into the morning, guys. The steam was coming from the crater till about noon today, and that's the reason you're seeing such a hazy picture, guys. We apologize that it's not as clear as possible, but we just wanted to give you a live update and live look at what is happening today. And always stay tuned, guys, because we will try to go live whenever possible, whenever we have a good view. We do get messages all the time for updates, so that's why we're here. And yeah, we appreciate everyone tuning in. As always, feel free to share or follow if you watch this on YouTube later. We appreciate if you subscribe. We do our best to bring you any local news from Tagaytay, from the Philippines. So for all of our international viewers, we appreciate your time and appreciate you chiming in. And for all the locals, of course, this is for you and to keep you informed as much as we can and give you as clear a view as possible.
Umuulan na daw dito. Baka umuulan na nga paglabas natin mamaya. Salamat po sa lahat, and walang anuman. Hanggat kaya po namin mag-update kami. Again, pasensya po sa mga nag-message amin kaninang umaga, hindi po kami nakalabas. Pero ito na po yung 3 o'clock live view ng Taal. You're welcome, Cloudkin. Salamat.
Get a little closer here, guys, before we sign off. The steam kind of keeps coming and going, so sometimes it gets a little clear. But we know the weather's on the way, guys. If you can kind of see the cloud bank right above us, you can see that that is bound to open up, and that will take away the picture entirely.
Oh, so baka nga mag-steam na naman yan dahil uulan na naman. Hindi lang namin alam kung uulan dyan banda, pero ayan, kumukulog na rin dito sa Tagaytay. Walang anuman. Hanggat kaya namin mag-update kami.
Alright, guys, well, we hope you appreciate this look, and we are going to wrap this one up in search of better signal. But yeah, guys, as always, we appreciate everyone tuning in. We appreciate you guys sharing. Please feel free, if you're watching or you watch this later, please feel free to share the video, guys. We want to obviously keep as many people updated that are in the area. And
ayan po.
Yeah.
Maraming salamat po. Thanks, guys, for watching.
Alright, guys.
Ingat po, stay safe. Ingat.
So until next time, guys, there's the thunder. I don't know if you're hearing that. And hello from Australia. There you go. Tell you our friends from Australia are chiming in even. So yeah, guys, we're just trying to go live whenever we can to give you a look at the volcano. And yeah, so we'll sign off from here for now. But appreciate everyone tuning in, and we will see you next time.
Ingat po mga kabatang.